Well, yes, in focus we are having India Energy Exchange, and over the last two trading sessions the stock is down by more than 20%, and on the technical charts itself, if you look at it, it's down almost at a 52-week low levels. But the question remains is why this has happened, why there has been a negative impact on the stock price. And the important thing is that Ministry of Power has actually decided to give a go ahead for the term called market coupling. Now, because of this, what happens, a uniform pricing structure would be there, where earlier India Energy Exchange would actually be there for bidding as well as for price discovery. Now, that was one of the most trusted exchanges to determine the spot prices. Now, what the industry experts are stating, they are stating that there might be a new body where all the price discovery would be there, and of course this might be a new government entity, and because of this the street has factored in some negative reviews for the stock, and that is why the stock is seeing selling pressure. But what are the brokerages talking about India Energy Exchange? Now let's look at them. Over here we see Axis Capital. They have termed this event as a grey swan event. They have downgraded the stock to sell. The target price remains at almost 111 rupees per share, and they have stated that they would advise not to wait and watch for the investors to acquire the stock or hold the stock, and they have also stated implicitly that the business model is at risk. And of course the brokerages have actually given a thumbs down to this event. And there are other factors also which is ailing India Energy Exchange, and to list a few, this is the important thing, is there is an increased competition which is coming in from HPCX and PXCIL. That is where the market share has actually started reducing from somewhere between above 90 odd percent. It has come down to 86%. The volumes have been also low, market share loss has been there, and also there is an overhang remaining of block sale, especially from Dalmia Group. So they are expected to sell certain stock of theirs and exit this investment in the India Energy Exchange. Apart from this also, because the spot prices are high, the bilateral trades are happening which don't involve the exchange. So whenever a transaction is not happening between an exchange, that is where they have a revenue loss. Because of that, the impact can be seen especially during the summer months. Now apart from this also, there is a sliver of hope, especially if the volumes pick up, and also the traction is seen when there is a reduction of power tariffs which are happening, which comes below the price ceiling as well. And of course there are overall long-term growth triggers which still remain for the stock. This includes easing supply constraints and the general network access implementation. But all in all, there has been a very negative impact seen on the stock prices of India Energy Exchange. But this is a very developing story, and this might take some time, as the industry experts are stating. So that will be something which we'll be watching out for.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.